Hello friends, this is Milani Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel which is all about enhancing what you have. Finally, I have bought Note 10 Plus recently and I wanted to share the unboxing with you guys. It comes in this amazing matte black box. All the specs are mentioned on the box. Yay! And that's my phone. It has this pin for the SIM card, this pin for the SIM card slot. This phone has hybrid SIM slot for either a SIM and memory card or two SIMs. This box has some important papers in it that are useless, I guess. This phone is sexy. Oh my god, with 6.8 inches of screen. My S20 Plus FE is 6.8 inches though. Its box includes a 25-watt charger, a data cable, and USB Type-C earphones. These earphones are really dope and have high quality sound. Okay, that's huge, mashallah. I love it. It already has plastic protector on it by Samsung. On the bottom, it has charging slot, speakers, and S Pen. The S Pen comes out by click pressing on it. This S Pen has air motions and works like a remote for selfies and other applications and stuff. On the left side of Note 10 Plus, we have volume and power buttons. The back of Note 10 Plus is beautiful glass back. I bought this phone in black color and it looks amazing. 3 cameras are lined up in a vertical row on the back with a flash. It has two 12 megapixel cameras and one 16 megapixel for wide angle at the back. So yay, finally! I'm opening it. So I will complete the setup and we'll be back. Here I am. It has 12 GB RAM with 256 GB memory. It has a punch hole camera on the screen. It has 4300 mAh battery that works for an entire day with a single charge, and that's amazing because I use my phone a lot. Its rear camera has up to 2 times of zoom with autofocus. It can shoot 4K videos as well. I'm so happy. See the autofocus? I love this autofocus feature. The front cam is a 10 megapixel camera with autofocus, and to be honest, I love the autofocus feature and that's why I bought this. Alhamdulillah, I got this cover for $16 to protect it. I hope you guys liked the video. You know, I really like sharing my stuff with you guys, so I thought that I had to upload an unboxing video. So I just did it with you guys. Bye bye.